Hello students, start with a microprocessor 8085. Next point, difference between memory map IO and IO map IO means memory map IO, difference between IO map IO. Next screen, memory map IO. First point, IO is assigned to the separate address space of a memory. IO map, first point, IO is assigned with the same address of memory. Means memory map मध्ये separate address असतात and then IO map मध्ये same address तो मेमरीला assign करतो. Then second one is a separate control signal is not required. Then IO map is a required like IO map. Next, third one is a memory space is reduced due to insertion of IO address, and IO map is a full memory space can be used. Then last point, it requires 16-bit address bus and IO map is a 8-bit address bus only. Next point, internal block diagram of 8085. Internal block diagram many types is referred as organization or architecture of 8085. This, look at this following main blocks as using these 8 points. First, 3 types of a bus. Second one is a register. Third one is a arithmetic logic unit. Short form is a ALU. Fourth one is a flags. Fifth one is a program counter. Then sixth one is a stack pointer. Seventh one is a incrementer and decrementer. And last one is a timing and control section. This is a point notation of the internal block diagram of 8085. Then आपण one by one आता discuss करूया point. Look at this figure, internal block diagram of 8085. Starting with a interrupt control bus connected to the interrupt control. Then serial IO control. 2 square also connected with a 8-bit internal database. Means one 8-bit त्यांनी internal database assign केलेला आहे. Then some parts also connected. First is a accumulator, it is a 8-bit. Next, TMP register, it is also 8-bit. Then flag, phi, flip-flops. Next, instruction register, 8-bit, instruction decoder. And next square is a B register, C register, D register, E register, H, L. This is a using for also 8-bit register. Then stack pointer is a 16-bit register. Program counter is a 16-bit register. And INCR, DCR and latches. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU also 8-bit register. Then timing and control and also connected with a main control bus. Then address buffer is a 8-bit register and data address buffer is a also 8-bit register. Then address bus A15 and A8 also using, and AD7 and AD0 address data bus also using the internal block diagram of 8085. First point, 3 bus structure. Reference with the figure, आपण figure बघितली. There are 2 IO bus as 8-bit data bus and 16-bit address bus. Then as mentioned earlier, 8D0 to 8D7 bus is a address data multiplex bus. Control bus is not shown but different signals are transferred to different blocks like a WR and RD. WR means write and RD means read, ALE, etc., which are generated by control section that forms a control bus. It has 3 types of a control bus. 3 टाइप्सचे कंट्रोल बस यूज करतो. देन द टॉप साइड वन फॉर अ इंटरप्ट कंट्रोल विच इन्क्लूड INTR, INTA, RST 5.5, RST 6.5, then 7.5 and TRAP. The second one is for serial communication, SID and SOD. Control bus, this is using for the 3 control bus using the internal block diagram of a 8085. Next point, register. Second point, there are different register used for a different purposes. First, 8-bit जनरल पर्पज रजिस्टर. कोणकोणते 8-bit जनरल रजिस्टर आहे ते बघूया. फर्स्ट ॲक्युम्युलेटर, सेकंड वन इज अ रजिस्टर बी, रजिस्टर सी, रजिस्टर डी, रजिस्टर ई, एच, एल, टेम्पररी रजिस्टर अँड फ्लॅग स्टेटस रजिस्टर. देन सेकंड वन इज अ 16-bit special register, program counter, stack pointer and incrementer and decrementer using the 16-bit register. Register B, C, D, E, H and L can be used as a 16-bit register in pairs as a register pair. means आपण फिगर मध्ये बघितली की त्यांची पेअर आहे B, C, D, E, H, L. This is a 8 plus 8. This is a working for a 16-bit. Then remember 16-bit register pair cannot be formed like a BE or DL. Next point, accumulator. Purpose register. There are 6 8-bit register which can be used as 16-bit register in pairs as a BC, DE and HL pair. The higher MSB 8-bit are stored in a first register of the pair as B, D, H and lower LSB is a C, E, L. means आपण फिगरमध्ये जो स्क्वेअर बघितला, जो रो फॉर्मॅटमध्ये होता तो 16-bit होता आणि जो कॉलम फॉर्मॅटमध्ये असतो तो आपण 3 रजिस्टर यूज करतो B, D, H and C, E, L. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, टेम्पररी रजिस्टर. This temporary register is used to store operands of arithmetic and logical operation similar to accumulator or the 16-bit register, program counter, stack pointer, etc. are used in a special purpose as explained below. Then next point, arithmetic logic unit. It is an 8-bit unit where arithmetic and logical operation are carried out. The ALU consists of binary adder. It performs only binary addition and subtraction by the 2s complement addition method using the accumulator, IO device, memory, etc. Means arithmetic logic unit means arithmetic and logical operation performed in the arithmetic logic unit. This is a 2s complement addition method also using the arithmetic logic unit. Next one is a flags. There are single bit status register operator by ALU. The flags are either set or reset according to the answer produced by ALU. It is important because flags are explained in conditional instruction like a JMP and call. means flag साठी आपण दोन instruction यूज करणार आहोत, JMP and call. Next, program counter. What is mean by program counter? It is a 16-bit register used to store the address of a next memory location. It points or directs to the memory location containing the next instruction to be executed. For example, is a instruction to the 8085. Next point, stack pointer. It is a 16-bit register used to store an address of current memory called as a stack. Means stack pointer मध्ये सुद्धा आपण 16 bit registers यूज करणार आहोत. And then as explained above, in case of a subroutine, the program counter is directed to the address of branching memory location, but before that program counter is incremented by 1, which will be the address of next instruction in the main program. The address is stored in the special group of a register or a memory are called as a stack. Means stack pointer मध्ये आपण दोन इन्स्ट्रक्शन यूज करणार आहोत, त्या म्हणजे पुश अँड पॉप. पुश मीन्स आपण एखादी इलेमेंट त्यात पुश करणार आहोत आणि एखादा इलेमेंट त्याच्यातून पॉप करणार आहोत. दिस इज अ वर्किंग फॉर अ स्टॅक पॉइंटर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इन्क्रीमेंटर अँड डिक्रीमेंटर. दिस इज अ 16 bit register. It is used to adder or subtract 1 from the contents of the program counter or a stack pointer. Means increment means decrement means आपण एक त्याच्यातून सबट्रॅक्ट करणार किंवा ॲडर करणार. दिस इज अ वर्किंग फॉर अ इन्क्रीमेंटर ऑर डिक्रीमेंटर. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, instruction decoder. It is stored in instruction decoder. It is developed by this circuit to initiate the timing and control signal for the given instruction. Means ज्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन तुम्ही दिलेल्या आहे त्या परफॉर्म करायचं किंवा स्टोअर करायचं काम कोण करणार आहे, तर इन्स्ट्रक्शन डिकोडर करणार आहे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, interrupts. Microprocessor is always connected to different input or output devices such as displays, printer, keyboard, etc., which are called as peripheral devices. Means interrupt केव्हा येणार आहे, तर जेव्हा तुम्ही पेरिफेरल डिव्हाइसेस यूज करणार आहेत तेव्हा तुम्हाला इंटरप्ट येऊ शकतो. दिस डिव्हाइसेस कम्युनिकेट विथ द मायक्रोप्रोसेसर. इफ मायक्रोप्रोसेसर आस्क टू ईच डिव्हाइस whether it requires service or not, then interrupt method is employed so that external device can interrupt the microprocessor whenever decide. Therefore there will be small wastage of time. Means इंटरप्ट केव्हा येणार आहे, जेव्हा तुम्ही फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखादा पर्सन ए हा पर्सन वर्क करत असेल आणि बी हा पर्सनला सुद्धा त्याच ठिकाणी किंवा त्याच लोकेशनला जर वर्क करायचं असेल तर बी हा पर्सन ए साठी इंटरप्ट असणार आहे. दिस इज अ वर्किंग फॉर अ इंटरप्ट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, ॲड्रेसिंग मॉडेल्स इन अ 8085. In the next chapter, instruction set of 8085, you will study all types of assembly level instruction. An assembly level instruction is not recognized by microprocessor but it understand only binary code. Means addressing model मध्ये जे मायक्रोप्रोसेसर ज्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन रेकग्नाइज करणार आहे तर त्या बायनरी कोड मध्येच त्यांना अंडरस्टँड होणार आहे. देन assembly level instruction is indirectly converted into binary code that is known as a machine code. Instruction may be 1, 2 or 3 byte is a length. The first byte shows the operation type to be performed and second and third types of instruction indicates either the operand. Then there are classified into 5 types. First is a direct addressing, second one is a register addressing, third one is a register indirect addressing, fourth one is a immediate addressing and last one is a implicit addressing. The lesson are completed. Overview in the lesson, evolution of a microprocessor. Evolution of a microprocessor मध्ये आपण काय बघितलं, तर मायक्रोप्रोसेसर काय आहे, व्हॉट इज मीन बाय मायक्रोप्रोसेसर अँड 805 काय आहे, 8085 काय आहे, देन त्याची प्रोसेस कशी आहे. First of all, evolution of a microprocessor. Then there are 5th generation. First generation is a 4-bit microprocessor. Second one is a 8-bit. Third one is a 16-bit microprocessor. Fourth one is a 32-bit and fifth generation is a 64-bit microprocessor. Then microcomputer organization. Then generic microprocessor. त्याची आपण फिगर बघितली जेनेरिक मायक्रोप्रोसेसरची. देन त्या फिगरमधले पॉईंट आपण एक्सप्लेन केले. देन ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ मायक्रो कम्प्युटर, ब्लॉक डायग्राम बघितले आपण मायक्रो कम्प्युटरची. देन मायक्रो कम्प्युटरच्या त्या डायग्राममधले आपण पॉईंट एक्सप्लेन केले. नंतर देन 8085 मायक्रोप्रोसेसर बघितला. देन फंक्शनल पिन डायग्राम ऑफ 8085. देन difference between memory map IO and IO map IO. Then internal block diagram. This is a 8 point discussing in the lecture. And then interrupt. What is mean by interrupt? Addressing models in 8085. Addressing model, there are 5 different types. This is a discussing the lecture. The lesson are completed. Thank you students. Keep watch my video. आणि व्हिडिओ बघितल्यानंतर तुम्ही कमेंटमध्ये तुमचं नेम आणि रोल नंबर लिहा. थँक्यू स्टुडंट्स.